each and everyone. We are gathered here today to witness one of the most significant and joyous moments in the lives of two hearts joined as one. You have indeed come to the right place and at the right occasion. For today, we're gathered at the very banquet of the newlywed couple, Mrs. Ginaline and Mr. Jeffrey. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, may I invite everyone to direct your full attention to the individuals I am about to call. Let us welcome them with a warm round of applause as they make their entrance into the banquet hall. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the bridal entourage, starting off with the parents of the bride, Mrs. Josefina Mabakyao and Edgar Mabakyao. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you're going to do the entrance while dancing. Okay, so again, kailangan sa entrance. Yeah. So again, ladies and gentlemen, here come Josefina Mabakyao and Edgar Mabakyao. Sayo naman siya. And then you may proceed to the seat assigned to you. And now, the parents, okay, or the guardians of the groom, Don Bishop and Maria Antonieta Caina. The seats assigned to them. It is also an honor to have with us today the individuals regarded as second parents who are newlyweds, and at this moment it is called the first two pairs. We have principal sponsors number 1, Joan Bacuzmo and Roger Bogauco. Saya naman dyan! Saya ngayon habang pumapasok ay this time sponsors number 2, Beverly Tabhan and Pedro Abahan. The newlyweds, here comes Mr. Jeffrey and Mrs. Ginaline Lopez, Mr. Operator. Very happy. How about you, sir?
Happy, relieved, and thirsty.
Happy, relieved, and thirsty. Okay, maybe you request a bottle of water. Okay, you may take your seat for a moment. Well, the energy of our newlywed is still fresh and high. Let us invite them to the dance floor. Could you please put your bouquet first? Because, yeah, we're going to render a dance. No, this prosperity dance. You can have the center area here. Please do the honor. Bring your husband to the front. This is what we call a prosperity dance. This is the couple's first dance as husband and wife. Okay, yeah, you can dance around. See, it symbolizes the guest's wishes for prosperity, abundance, and financial security for the couple's new life together. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so all that, Kina? Alright, so thank you very much. And at this point, we shall proceed to the next part of the celebration. May I request to the both of you to stand up. The ceremonial slicing of the wedding cake by the both of you. You may proceed to the cake table. Request the both of you to please stand at the very front. Okay, so sa si best man at si maid of honor, please come forward. Sana si best man. Ayan. So, dito kayo sa, sa bridal, sa podium. Dito kayo. Diyan kayo. Dito kayo, dalawa. Ayan. Alright. Sana si maid of honor, where's your glass of wine? Sir? Get your glass wine. Sa'yo ma'am, dala ka rin. Ayan. Dala ka rin. Okay, sige. Okay na? Wine glass, ayun. Ayan. Saglit na nga. Mr. Romans, are you okay? You okay? For a moment, okay? Wait for us. Alright, so this time, I'll listen to the maid of honor and the best man. Okay, something to share. Okay, so very good parents, please raise your glasses. Ayan, okay na ba? Everybody say congratulations. Another one, best wishes. Okay, so face to face, arms intertwined. Ganun, di ba? Ganun yun, kayo din dyan. Okay, sige, paano yan? Ayan, saglit ha. Okay, music. Ready? At count 3, Kayo din. Kayo din dalawa. Si best man kag si best of. Okay. Alright, ganun din. Mga ninang, ganun din? Ha? Ganun din? Okay, everybody. Saglit mo nga mga ninang. You say cheers! Alright, so Mr. Operator, 1, 2, 3, toast! Ayan. Ganon! Thank you so much! Mapakla ba? Mapait? Ganon din kapait ang pagkapagmamahal niya. Oo. Okay, thank you very much to the both of you, especially to the newlywed couple, and at the same time to the ninongs and ninangs. Okay? The cake itself symbolizes sweetness, a little of background music, and prosperity, and slicing it together reflects a shared hope for a future filled with joyful moments and blessings. I take a generous slice of that cake, okay? The bigger, the merrier. Ganon? Okay, you can feed each other with sweetness and love. Both of you have to slice the cake, okay? Smile. 1, 2, 3. Alright, sige. According to your height. Lay down on my face, trying to forget my feelings of love. Be my lady, come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Saan sila? Mga tita ni Bride, saan? Dito dalawa lang silang dami nila, no? Mga tito. Ay, lahat dito. Bongga. Okay, sige. Yung mga tawag dito, pamangkinan dito. Okay, ready na po ba, friend? Okay. Ayan, sige. So, ladies and gentlemen, one of the godfathers will be rendering his special number. Bukas. Okay. Wala? Okay, meron. Ready? Alright, so let us all gather and cheer as the bride prepares for the ceremonial toss of her bouquet as they count 1. Tipon kayo, laka kayo eh. Tipon kayo. 2. Okay, 3. Toss. One more. Okay, yung makakasalo ang next na mabubuntis. Yun na lang. Okay, ba? Saluhin. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Toss. Wow! Hala! Thank you so much, ladies, single ladies. What's your name, ma'am? Carmine. Okay. Charmine. Okay. Okay, may I request the groom? This is now your opportunity to gracefully retrieve the garter word. Face the audience, Mr. Jeffrey. Before you start approaching your wife, you have to dance first facing the audience. Okay? In the tune of Careless Whisper. Lights, camera, action! Okay, approaching your wife and please be inside side view. Yeah, agay, damag-damag ang kanot. Agay. Okay, sige, ang kanot damag-damag. Okay, now you are going to get the garter. Ay, okay, tinangkap mo dayon. Thank you so much. You may now eat your wife. Okay, may I call on? Okay, stay put for a while. You facing back to the audience. Okay, then boys. Okay, alright. Here, face there. Okay, then as count 3, you're going to toss the garter. Okay, alright. So boys, you ready? Ready? Sa loob nyo ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3, throw it! Wow! Thank you so much! Okay, Mr. Jeffrey, please go back to your seat. Okay, may I request the maid of honor to please come forward? Okay, now who captures the bouquet? Boy, who captures the garter, please come forward. Okay, ikaw ang susunod.